These are gonna be the elevators here at Guest House 3 at the Loews Sapphire Falls Resort in Orlando. So hallway, directory. All right, let's call on Otis, newer Series 2. This one.
Going down.
All right, let's go down to 1.
First floor. Going up.
All right, we're gonna head up to 8.
Eighth floor.
Just the same as all the other elevators here. Down. Let's get a view out. Here's the waterway that goes to the park. That's Guest House 2. And over there is Universal and Islands of Adventure. You can see the Hulk coaster in action. Really nice view. All right, we're gonna head back down.
Going down.
Let's go to lobby. One there.
Fourth floor. Going up.
There it goes. That's it.